In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check occupancy of employee if task assigned in Zoho projects. To begin, open Zoho projects and go to the specific project where you want to assign or review work. You will be checking occupancy from inside the task area because that is where Zoho shows workload clues while you schedule dates and choose an assignee. Once you are inside your project, click the Tasks tab. This takes you to the full task list for that project and gives you access to create a new task or edit an existing one. If you are planning new work, click Add Task. If you are adjusting something that already exists, click directly on an existing task to open it for editing. Either option works, because the occupancy information appears while you work with dates and ownership. Next, locate the Start Date or Due Date field in the task. Click into either Calendar field to open the date picker. This calendar is not only for selecting a day, it also provides quick visibility into who is available around that time. Now, move your cursor across the calendar and hover over a specific date. When you hover, a small pop-up appears that lists users and shows their current task count for that day, or it may indicate a time-off status. Use this view to spot days where a teammate is already heavily loaded or unavailable. If you are deciding between two nearby dates, hover across several days to compare workload patterns before you commit to a schedule. There is another quick way to check workload without relying on the calendar pop-up. Go to the Owner or Assignee field in the task and click it to open the list of users. Next to each username, you may see a number. That number indicates their total current task load, which helps you judge who has capacity before you assign the task. This is especially useful when the exact dates are still flexible, and you just need a fast sense of who is already carrying the most work. After you review the occupancy indicators, select your dates, choose the best owner, and proceed with saving or updating the task as usual. That covers everything you need to know.